Your Hdii has a 5/8 arbor opening, which fits all your grinders. Some of your grinders, though, have a more snug fit than others. So, if you're using a Milwaukee, you pull it right on, it fits perfectly. If you're using a Hitachi, it's got a little play. Find the center, put your bolt right on there. And that's all there is to it. Use your wrench, tighten it up, and away you go. Now that your Hdii is on your grinder, you're ready to go cut, sand, and grind whatever you want to cut. This is absolute black granite. This is 8 on the Rockwell scale. This is one hard piece of material to cut, but the Hdii covers it with no troubles. If you want to grind that corner, use the side of the Hdii, round off that edge. Your Hdii is not just for cutting granite. It's 60 grit diamond impregnated into a steel plate. It will cut, sand, and grind anything you'd like to cut, sand, and grind. Let's say you're cutting a combination of materials. Most grinding wheels are designed for one material or the other. They won't cut through your granite and your stainless steel at the same time. The Hdii has no troubles at all with this. Your Hdii has diamonds on both sides, so if you're cutting along and you make a mistake, if you flex the wheel the wrong way, all you end up with is a larger hole. We all know what would happen if you took a regular grinding wheel and put it in a hole like this and flexed it. Because of your Hdii aggressive nature, that 60 grit diamond allows you to cut things like plastics, plexiglass. You can also use your Hdii for cutting plexiglass. Knock that burr off, and you're ready to go. Your Hdii is really great in PVC. Your Hdii is also really great for grinding any of your plastics with no load up. And it's not even hot. Your Hdii is also very good for cutting copper, brass, bronze, aluminum. When you have diamond, you can cut anything you want, even something as hard as this other cutting wheel. Your Hdii also work on something as tough as this 16 gauge tailpipe. Now your Hdii can also be used for cutting and grinding on aluminum. If you want to cut, or if you want to grind, it's just that easy. And if you do have any buildup on your wheel, use a concrete block to take it off. If you want to grind down some rust or take off some paint, the Hdii is great for all that stuff. Your Hdii is really great when it comes to construction. You can cut from a rock, right over to rebar. So let's say you have to cut your concrete reinforcement wire. You can cut it just as easy. Want to do some auto body work? The Hdii 2 is great for cutting your car fenders. Your Hdii 2 is exceptional at cutting concrete, brick, block, anything like this you want to cut, paving, stone. If you have to cut any reinforced cable, hose, hydraulic lines, anything like that you need to cut this metal and rubber all together, the Hdii 2 is great. Also, everyone knows what happens when you hit a nail like this with your grinding wheel. It takes forever. This wheel, the Hdii 2, will cut it right off. No trouble at all. Again, cut it off,